factorize 12x squared minus 3y squared completely. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question and after that you pick the correct option. We are going to factorize this expression 12x squared minus 3y squared. We can see that 3 is a common factor in both terms, so we will begin our factorization by factoring out 3. When we do that, we are going to have 12x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 3 into bracket 4x squared minus y squared. What we have in the bracket is 4x squared minus y squared. From indices, we know that 4 can be written as 2 squared. And so the first term we have in the bracket, which is 4x squared, can be written as 2 squared x squared, which in turn can be written as 2x all squared. And so 4x squared can be written as 2x all squared. When we do that, our expression will become 3 into bracket 2x all squared minus y squared. When you have an expression in the form a squared minus b squared, it's a difference of two squares, and it can be factorized as a minus b in one bracket a plus b. That is a similar example as what we have in the bracket. We have 2x all squared minus y squared. This is a difference of two squares, so it can also be factorized as 2x minus y in one bracket, then 2x plus y in another bracket. Don't forget that we already have 3 multiplying it. So when we factorize this expression, we are going to have 3 times 2x minus y in one bracket times 2x plus y in another bracket. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.